Hi Dimitri, hope you're well. It's Rory here from Retail-Outsource. We're a full service Amazon agency based in Ashford in Kent. So yeah, I'll get straight to the point. I come across your listing on Amazon and identified as one that could be performing even better than it currently is, one that could be dominating its niche even more than it currently is. So yeah, I've just prepared some stats for you and just going to run you through some things that I've seen at the front end of the listing. So here we go. So we see your listing here. This is Datadive, by the way. It's a premium paid tool. It's just one of the tools that we use to optimize listings. Hi Dimitri, hope you're well. It's Rory here from Retail-Outsource. We're a full service Amazon agency based in Ashford in Kent. So yeah, I'll get straight to the point. I come across your listing on Amazon and identified as one that could be performing even better than it currently is, one that could be dominating its niche even more than it currently is. So yeah, I've just prepared some stats for you and just going to run you through some things that I've seen at the front end of the listing. So here we go. So we see your listing here. This is Datadive, by the way. It's a premium paid tool. It's just one of the tools that we use to optimize listings and optimize Amazon operations. So we can see that your listing obviously is performing quite well. You've got the highest revenue out of your niche, which is great. But then I have noticed that there's a few other tactics other listings are using. And if I was to hazard a guess, I'd say that their market share is currently growing and yours is probably on the decline. So let's stop the rot, right? So if we have a quick look at your listing, I can see here that your title could be utilised a little bit better. It's very descriptive, but it's not that strong from an SEO standpoint. Your images are okay. I mean, you have to look at the clientele that are buying your products, right? And maybe they're not the type of people that would want to see loads of infographics and stuff like that. But there is room for improvement here, and you'd probably agree with that as well. I'm guessing these are stock images you've got from your supplier. We could just fill that with some more graphics, infographics, and then just people using it. These things do have a real impact on the bottom line and conversion rates. And to be honest, conversion rates here is where I see the big gains to be made. Because obviously your SEO standpoint, your SEO standing is pretty good at the moment. So yeah, let's just I'd say we can focus on converting more of the customers that actually make it to your page. So if we scroll down to your bullet points, they're okay. They're descriptive again, but yeah, I'd probably try and fill that with more SEO value, just to ensure that you're showing up more keywords and you're fighting on more fronts. So if we scroll down to see, obviously you've got the from the brand section here, which is great. No A+ content. And the thing is with A+ content as well, is that Amazon actually report themselves that it can actually increase sales by up to 20%, which is obviously a massive number for you. So that's another $2,000 in revenue for you monthly. So something worth considering, especially if you've got the from the brand section as well. I mean, it's not a massive ask to then implement A+ content. Is quite an easy fix, so that is something we could definitely help you with quite quickly. So if we just have a quick look at Wassa Rhythm, I think these guys, this listing, I know it's obviously slightly different product to yours, but you're fighting the similar keywords in similar areas, and I think they're the only brand that could actually touch you really in terms of top line revenue. So let's see what they're doing to do this. So yeah, if you look at their title again, it's sort of similar to yours. It's not the best in the world, but it's doing the job at the moment. But there's always room for improvement. Their bullet points are, I'd say, they're a little bit neater than yours. They're probably including more keywords as well, just to kind of try and nick as much market share away from you. But yeah, so here's the real difference in my opinion. So have a look at their images, and yeah, they're just a lot cleaner. I mean, it's only like small. It's not like stunning visuals, but it's just doing the job. Obviously, you've got some water flow there. You've got hand in there, and these things do actually have a big impact on sales and conversion rates. So definitely something worth considering. If you scroll on, then they've got the A+ content in place. So yeah, I mean, they're making the most out of their listing and getting the most out of their conversion rates. And this is something that we'd suggest implementing for you. So if that's of interest to you, and you'd like to hear more about how we can help, it'd be great to have a quick chat, maybe over Zoom, or I think I saw that you're based in Harrow or where, somewhere around there. I'm only based in Slough myself. So obviously we've got the office in Ashford. So it'd be great to chat if that's of interest. We are actually currently offering a free listing optimization, just to kind of allow you to try before you buy. No obligation. You can just kind of see what we're capable of, and we can go from there. So get in touch. Cheers.